I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file withholding tax statements. We'll begin by understanding why these statements are crucial for both employers and recipients. Then, we'll identify the specific forms you'll need to complete, such as Form W-2 and Form 1099 NEC. We'll also cover the important deadlines to ensure timely submission and explore the various filing methods available to you, making the process straightforward. Now, let's dive into the essential forms. Form W-2 is used to report wages, tips, and other compensation paid to employees, along with taxes withheld. For independent contractors, Form 1099 NEC reports non-employee compensation. It's vital to accurately gather all employer identification numbers, employee or contractor names, addresses, and social security numbers. Double-check that all income and tax withheld amounts are precisely recorded before proceeding. When it comes to submission, you have a couple of options. Many choose to file electronically using the IRS's FIRE system, which stands for Filing Information Returns Electronically. Alternatively, you can mail paper forms to the designated IRS Service Center. Remember, most annual information returns, like Form W-2 and Form 1099 NEC, are generally due by January 31st. Be aware that extensions might be available under specific conditions. To ensure a smooth filing process, let's discuss how to avoid common errors. Always verify that all Social Security numbers and names match official records exactly. Carefully double-check every reported income and tax withheld amount for accuracy. It's also crucial to maintain thorough and accurate records for a minimum of 3 years. If you encounter any complex situations, don't hesitate to consult official IRS publications or seek advice from a qualified tax professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.